So, cost reduction versus cost control. Am I right? Very small topic, but frequently asked questions come for your examination. 4 to 5 mark, repeated question, both practical as well as theory question. Theory means in case of intermediate, they're asking direct theory question. Different between cost reduction, cost control, 5 mark question. But for final, concept-based theory questions are they're asking. Following item will comes under cost reduction or cost control. And MTP, they started asking practical problems also. How much the required cost reduction to be achieved for the company? That after pandemic, we have to reduce the cost by way of cost reduction or cost control. Clear? So now our Anand is going to sum up the cost reduction and the cost control. Can you please do the summary, Kanna?
Sir.
Quick summary. Yes.
Hi friends, myself Anand Namlai. Today I am going to discuss on cost control and cost reduction. First, let's see the background of emergence of these topics. For any organization to be concerned, the ultimate objective is either profit maximization and wealth maximization. With respect to profit maximization, we will be attained by in two ways, either by increasing the sales or by decreasing the cost. With respect to decreasing the cost, we have two major techniques. One is cost control, another one is cost reduction. With respect to cost control is concerned, it is nothing but reducing the total cost of the product. It is it is like alignment of actual cost with the budgeted cost, which we actually do in standard costing also. Actual cost with budgeted cost, we will be taking it as a whole, total cost as a whole. For examples, the cost control examples are we have a reduction in total overhead expenses, whether to recruit the employees or not, we can take this. With respect to cost reduction is concerned, it is the reducing the per unit cost of the product. For example, introducing a new production technology in the manufacturing process, product design, reducing the inventory cost, carrying cost of the inventory, we can take examples. We can simply identify both cost control and cost reduction with the way of one simple example. For example, for a company, it requires material A as a raw material, which it purchases from supplier X. The annual requirement for the company is 1 lakh units at rupees 10. So the total cost will comes to 10 lakh rupees. Now the company decides that we need to reduce the cost of the purchases, cost of raw material purchases. So they can go for either cost control or cost reduction basis. With respect to cost control basis, what the organization can do, they can just go for tender, or they can choose the next best alternate supplier who's selling the product at cheaper cost or lesser cost. So the company can immediately attain the savings in the cost because they are purchasing at the less price. But whereas there is a chance that they can get the inferior quality materials from the supplier, so that it also affects the product in the end product also, so that it affects the quality of the end product. So there is a problem in cost control techniques. Whereas in cost reduction, the company can get a price negotiation with the seller, because we are getting 1 lakh units of products, or the total demand for products. So we can make a negotiation with the seller to reduce the price. For example, we can ask for instead of 10 rupees, you can supply for 9 rupees, so that we can get 1 rupee per unit. So overall, it will cost 1 lakh per unit. 1 lakh we can save in the overall total cost of the product. So we can get that one price negotiation with the seller. Next, we can quickly see the differences between cost reduction and cost control. Cost reduction is real and permanent savings in the cost. Cost control is temporary savings in the cost. It is in cost reduction, it is savings per unit of the cost. In cost control, it is total savings in the total cost of the product. In cost reduction, the quality of product will not get affected because due to the price negotiation, we will be using other techniques. And whereas with respect to cost control, the product may get affected due to getting inferior quality materials like that, and all the problems are there. It is in cost reduction is a dynamic approach, whereas it lacks dynamism in cost control approach. To implement cost reduction, we need technically qualified persons to implement the cost reduction. Whereas in cost control, it requires administrators who have leadership skills to implement cost control. It is a corrective measure in cost reduction, and whereas it is a preventive measure function in cost control function. The famous tools for cost reduction are just-in-time purchase, business process re-engineering, Kaizen costing, target costing, etc. With respect to cost control, the famous tools are standard costing and budget costing. With respect to the ICS syllabus, we all know it. In olden days, they used to ask theory questions directly from cost reduction and cost control, but now they are asking with the advanced the tools from based on tools. They are asking case study like just-in-time purchase, or with respect to target costing, they are embedded. The theory is embedded with the case studies. So it is we need to study the cost reduction, cost control. The weightage of the marks for 8 to 10 marks for the topic. We also have in our syllabus, actually the paper itself, strategic cost management. Actually, it is nothing but the cost reduction technique. The next level of cost reduction technique is strategic cost management, because nowadays in traditional accounting, we are focused more on cost reduction, but we have just moved to the next level. It's called as strategic cost management. Which mainly focuses on cost leadership and product differentiation, and it also adds value to the customer, because just like that we only focus on reduction on cost, and with respect to cost reduction, it mainly focuses on internal aspects only. But whereas in strategic cost management, we also see the external aspects also, so that in the long run it has a good impact on the company's profitability. So to conclude my discussion, the cost reduction and cost control, we need to see as a practical aspect, not only for subject alone, because in practical life, whether it is in our home, while preparing our family budget, like expenditure, how to control these expenses like that, and to the professional life, like taking whether to take this assignment or not. When we become a chartered accountant, we need to see the project viability, whether we can take this project or not. We can find out by cost reduction and cost control techniques. We can use that one. So throughout our life, this topic comes along with us. So it's a very important topic for us to learn today. I hope I have given some insight on cost reduction and cost control. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Very good, very good, very good. Anand Annamalai. Good. Keep it up.